Ready for a reset? Let's do it. Let's leave the stress of the week behind, reconnect with your breath, and create space in both your body and mind. Step your feet wide apart and come into Warrior 2. Ground through your feet and reach your arms long in both directions. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. We're going through Warrior 2, Triangle Pose, Half a Moon, and High Lunge from one side, and then repeat the same process for the other side. Now we're going to Triangle Pose. Straighten your front leg and move into Triangle Pose. Reach forward before lowering your hand to your shin. Open your chest and extend your top arm toward the sky. Shift your weight into your front foot and lift your back leg into a half a moon pose. Stack your hips. Open your chest and find one steady point to focus on. Breathe deeply and feel strong, balanced, and calm. Step your lifted leg back into high lunge. Sweep your arms alongside your body or up to the sky. Lift through your heart, engage your core, and take one more deep breath. Now let's flow through the same sequence on the other side. Warrior 2, Triangle Pose, Half Moon, and High Lunge. Move slowly and let your breath guide you. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let's release all the remaining tension of the week. You do not need to hold anything, just release them by some exercise and breathing. Try to find your balance. Do not hold your breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. You're doing great. Keep going. Move slowly and let your breath guide you. Take your inhale to the point of your body, feel tension, and with exhale, release them all. Plant your hands on the mat and step back into downward facing dog. Shift your weight forward into plank pose. Engage your core and create one long line from head to heels. Take one deep breath. Lower your knees to mat, then gently lower your chest and chin while keeping your hips slightly lifted. Move slowly and with control. Just be here for a few seconds and breathe. Then inhale and glide forward into Cobra Pose. Lift your heart, roll your shoulders back. Keep a soft bend in your elbows and breathe deeply. Exhale and press back into downward facing dog. Take one full breath here. Before transition, you can stay here and have some cat-cow pose. to release all the remaining tension of your back. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, round your back. Pedal your feet and come into Malasana. Turn your toes slightly out and lower your hips into Malasana. Bring your hands into your heart center. Lengthen through your spine and gently press your elbows into your inner knees. Just keep your focus and balance going up and down. If it feels comfortable, allow your hips to soften. Slowly lower your knees to the mat and sit back onto your heel. Rest your hands on your thigh. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath. Allow your body to settle. And now bring your chin toward your chest. Hold your breath. Expand your belly and release it. Let's repeat it for 2 more times. Engage your core. And release it now for the last time. Inhale, chin toward your chest. Expand your belly. Be here for a second and release. Begin gently tapping the center of your chest. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let it out, a soft sound of ah. Inhale deeply, exhale ah sound. It will calm down your body, your mind. And before you react, take a deep breath and try this flow. It can make all the difference. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Namaste.